Welcome back to Coast with Joanne. Today is episode 12 and a very special episode for many reasons. This week it is Semana Santa in San Juan del Sur, so we will concentrate on that. We'll also check in with the casita and the court and the garden, but we'll mainly focus on the activities in town. So come along. This beauty, what's known as a canna lily, was gifted to me by my friend Kirsten. She has a great, beautiful garden, and every once in a while she has to thin these out. So I was the lucky recipient of this one. Although this is known as a canna lily, it is not a true lily. It is more closely related to bananas and gingers, and it is native to the American tropics. Usually, this parking lot is empty, but not this week. I took photos and videos Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You can see it fill up throughout the week. These buses bring people from Esteli, Matagalpa, Huigalpa, Carazo, Chontales. This is the hottest time of the year in Nicaragua, so people not only want to celebrate Easter, but they want a few days at the beach to escape some of the city heat. Now, this is a big holiday in Nicaragua, and people come to the beach. They are very prepared, as you will see. They bring food, they bring chairs and a rocking chair, and even the dining table. Anyone need a mobile DJ? How about a hat? I drank it already. I was thirsty. Awesome. The police were patrolling, keeping everyone safe. Even though this was a very busy week, we still had our 9:30 drop-in play every day. We also had the children's training on both Sundays. We have many people come from Managua, many business people and families. It was great to hear the laughter and see them on the court. As in that group, we have a lot of doctors that come from Vivian Pelez Hospital. Now, Vivian Pelez Hospital is a fabulous hospital in Managua, and I plan to do a future video on this hospital and the services it offers. So look forward to that. Earth Day is on April 22nd, and in observance of this, me and a couple of the kids that come and play on Sundays, we got together and we cleaned the bridge in the neighborhood. There's a lot of garbage there, so we need to go back again and again to get it done. And in the future, I hope to paint this bridge white. I think it would look really cute if it was white. There is not a lot going on in the casita this week, but I did do one thing. The bricks that they made this casita out of are quite porous, and when it rains, when there's a lot of moisture, you can see the moisture coming in. So I have been painting the bottom half of the walls as well as the floors to put a water barrier or a seal across them. Well, that is it for today. And we have reached a milestone this week. So, thanks to you, we have reached the 1,000 mark. So, thank you very much. And I will see you next week for episode number 13.